What fruit can be red, green, or yellow and is often found in lunchboxes? It is apple. Apples are crunchy and sweet. They come in many colors and are a great healthy snack. What fruit is long and yellow and comes in its own peel? It is banana. Bananas are soft and sweet. They are easy to peel and eat, making them perfect for kids. What small, round fruit is often bright red and has a pit inside? It is cherry. Cherries are small and juicy. They can be sweet or tart and are fun to eat. What fruit is red with tiny seeds on the outside and a green leafy top? It is strawberry. Strawberries are sweet and juicy. They are often eaten fresh or in desserts. What fruit is orange and full of vitamin C? It is orange. Oranges are sweet and juicy. They are great for making orange juice. What tropical fruit has spiky skin and sweet yellow flesh? It is pineapple. Pineapples are juicy and sweet. They have a rough outer skin but delicious inside. What fruit is called the king of fruits and is yellow-orange inside? It is mango. Mangoes are sweet and juicy. They have a big pit in the middle and are very tasty. What big fruit is green on the outside and red inside with black seeds? It is watermelon. Watermelons are very juicy and refreshing. They are perfect for hot summer days. What small, blue fruit is often used in muffins and pancakes? It is blueberry. Blueberries are tiny and blue. They are sweet and full of antioxidants. What fruit is brown and fuzzy on the outside but green inside? It is kiwi. Kiwis are sweet and tangy. They have a fuzzy skin and bright green flesh with tiny seeds. What tropical fruit is orange inside and has many black seeds? It is papaya. Papayas are sweet and soft. They are often eaten fresh or in salads. What green fruit is creamy inside and often used in guacamole? It is avocado. Avocados are smooth and creamy. They have a big pit inside and are very nutritious. What exotic fruit has bright pink skin with green scales? It is dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is unique and colorful. Its flesh can be white or red with tiny black seeds and is mildly sweet.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more content.